Hi, my name is Vivianne and I'm the sales manager here at Trails at Grassy Creek. I'm excited to start this journey with you in our beautiful Warren Township community. As we start this home building journey together, I'm looking forward to leading you through each step and helping with any questions you may have. Homeowners love living in Trails at Grassy Creek for 3 reasons: location, amenities, and proximity to shopping and dining. This new community is located a few minutes from 465, making your commute to work in downtown Indianapolis a breeze. Inside the community, we've created a picnic barbecue area, dog park, playground, and walking trails for you to enjoy when you're at home. Homeowners also love living in Trails at Grassy Creek because of the surrounding area. Spacious parks, delicious restaurants, and Warren Township schools make Trails at Grassy Creek a top location. Come out to visit Trails at Grassy Creek to learn more about Arbor Homes. Let's start building your new home today.